Hey guys, if you're from the Caribbean, there's nothing better than some good old stew peas and white rice. And you know what I love about stew peas? When you eat it, you really don't miss the meat. Like growing up, it was always stew peas and beef or stew peas and chicken. In Jamaica, it's pig's tail. But I really enjoy a good old meatless stew peas. So if you want to see how I whip mine up, stay tuned for the video. Alright, so this is a pressure cooker we have here, and this is some regular red peas. It says Central American red peas, and it's 16 ounces. I'm not sure how much water, to tell you, I put in here, but this is like half the pot, and I just usually pressure it until it's at a consistency that I like. So what I'll do, I'll pressure it for like maybe a half hour. Yeah, I'll do half of an hour, and then I'll test it to see the consistency and if we need to pressure it again before we start adding our seasonings and coconut milk. Alright, so here we have this is half a stalk of celery, 1 tomato, 2 Riri Peppers, I think this is 2 cloves of garlic. It's garlic cloves are really big. This is 1 onion, 1 whole carrot. I cut it in sticks. You don't have to do it. You could just cut it any way you want to cut it. And this is like a few stalks of green onions or shallot, escallion, whatever you know it as. And I just diced the white part of it down the middle. And as soon as our peas is done pressuring and at the consistency that we like, we're going to add everything to the pot. Okay, so we're going to turn the pot off now and just check the consistency of the peas. So the consistency of the peas is still a bit too tough for my liking. I'm just going to squeeze it, and it's soft, but not all of them are soft. Like this one example, it's kind of tough, so I'm going to give it 10 more minutes of pressuring. But because not much water is in there, I do notice that if you pressure your peas and enough water is in there, like they cook unevenly. So I'm just going to add a cup and a half more of water and back to the pressure for 10 minutes. So now we've added our seasonings and our carrots, and then we'll add our coconut milk. I don't like using tin stuff, but this is what I have today. I usually blend my coconut and add the milk, but it is what it is. I also usually add salt before I pressure my peas, but I forgot, so I'll just put salt to taste. I guess you could put whatever amount of salt you think you want to have in there. Just going to stir everything in. I like when my peas are nice and crushed. I don't know why, but to me it just tastes yummier that way. So I also like when my seasonings are crushed into the stew. It's just so much more delicious. So I'll just leave this to boil for maybe 20 minutes, and then we'll see what's up. I covered the pot for the boiling process. You don't have to cover yours, but I just find that it works faster that way. So our stew peas is yummy and looks lovely. I will not advise that you use the brand coconut milk that I used. I only used it because my dad purchased it for me, and it's not as coconutty as I would have liked it to be. Brands like Grace, or if you just blend your own coconut milk, is so much better than this brand. But all in all, I still got my nice tasting stew peas. Let me know how yours turned out. It's time to eat. So this is my meal. To be honest, I kind of put little chicken gravy I just felt, I love when I cook brown stew chicken and curry chicken. I think I make the best curry chicken, and my brown stew chicken is pretty good. I'm not like the best cook. I just try a lot to cook nice food. It doesn't always come out nicely, but this is really nice. So you're gonna watch me eat my food. It's really nice, but the coconut milk that I use it in there has this like funny aftertaste. I do not recommend you using that coconut milk that I use. As I said, I only use it because my dad purchased it and that was what was around, so I decided to use it. But outside of that, it's delish. I actually made this earlier in the day. I did eat, but I didn't record myself eating it, and I had avocado in it. I don't feel like eating avocado tonight, although I love avocado, but I'll just stick to the rice and the stew peas. It's really hot because I microwaved it. It's like steaming hot. I love when my food is steaming hot. Sometimes I think I burn myself with the food. Okay, so if you loved my video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't remember to share, and before you leave my channel, hit the subscribe button. And also you can check out the playlist that I leave in the description box down below of other meatless dishes or vegan, plant-based, whatever description you choose on using for vegetarian food. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.